17th.
Ngaling daw ako kasi daw, ano yung, hindi naman daw totoo naman. Hanggang tanghali mga kachik. 12:20 ng tanghali. Alis lang kami ni Mr. Ano kami, food shopping. Food shopping. Kasi wala na kaming time mamaya ang food shopping. Asian. No, it will be here, Daddy, because Asian. Yeah. Just get some Renflex, your Weetabix.
Yeah. How about that?
Yeah, do you want the circle one?
Okay, different one then.
Yeah.
It's all garbage on it. What is green? This one? This one?
Yeah, that one. Or cornflakes.
No.
No?
Boy, no, they all like that.
Yeah, do you like that?
Huh?
Do you like that? It's so big, Daddy.
Yeah, it is, isn't it?
Oh, this one na lang.
Yeah, you're right.
Smaller one.
True enough.
Oh.
Okay.
Daming klase-klaseng cereal. Gusto ni Mr. yung multigrains. Minsan, pag gusto ng mga bata, meron din ng mga... just water.
Coffee, that's what I want. Coffee fine, yeah. Coffee.
Ah, yeah.
Sure the only one water we need?
Yeah, just one. Just one. Just one. Then coffee, your coffee.
Any more meat, fish?
I get the bags. I get the bags. Na ng hapon mga kachika, nag-coffee date muna kami ni Mr. Saglit sa M&S. Tapos pupunta kami ngayon ng Boots kasi kukunin ni Mr. yung prescription niya. Tumawag kasi kaya na siya sa ano ba? Nag-contact siya sa GP. Tapos yun, may niresita sa kanya yung doctor. So pipick upin namin dito ngayon sa Boots yung niresita sa kanya. Boots. Still got vitamins.
They do.
How about you?
No.
Nothing. Okay. boots.
Yeah, usual story.
Not ready yet?
No.
Okay.
Nah. I'll come back. I'm not waiting 20 minutes. Stop
Yeah.
back. You go and then they'll get it ready.
Oh.
Unbelievable.
No. They wait until
I
you
think
going
you're
to
right.
pick it up.
Why that is, I don't know.
Di pa daw ready mga kachika. Wait. I cannot see. Oh, cars behind.
Yeah. Okay.
Hindi pa daw ready. Mag-aantay daw ng 20 minutes. Hindi na kami mag-aantay kasi may food kami sa likod.
Are you moving or what?
It's backing up. Marami kaming food na kailangan ilagay sa fridge. Medyo warm yung weather. Kaya hindi pwede na magtagal. Kaya uwi muna kami. Babalik ka na lang din yun ni Mr.
What's a new one?
Mamaya.
What is that? That's a C. Oh, we haven't had lunch yet. We haven't had lunch.
No, I don't need lunch.
Huh?
I don't need lunch.
No? Well, I'll have peanut butter sandwich then.
Yeah, I make peanut butter as well for them.
Who, me?
I'll make it for them as well.
17:36, and you say get there 50 minutes earlier, correct? Okay, that's fine. Okay, yeah, that's fine. Yeah, good. It's Diagnostic Center. I don't know that. Diagnostic, okay. Right, great. Okay, sir. Thank you.
Yeah. The worm? It's in the backpack.
It's in the
Show to
back.
daddy. She's going to show you a worm. She made a worm.
Hello.
Hello.
Here goes. Wow.
She made a worm. Okay, come on now. Get inside.
They have like cold plant you put it
Oh.
on the microwave.
Okay, get in please.
Okay.
Take it up your backpack. Put the backpack down.
Rock that. It's a rock. Rock.
Pizzeria, seafoods, ice cream,
Ice cream. Ice cream.
fish and chips. Oh no, hot dogs, chips, burgers.
Where's my stuff? Oh, my taekwondo.
I got it.
Taekwondo.
No,
taekwondo nila today. So I think Alisa's
Taekwondo.
Does she want to go punching,
Alisa
or you
wants
want
to go punching.
Or no, does she want to go play area?
You want to go play area or punching?
I don't want to go punching. I'm scared. I want to go to play.
And you
You said you want to go to punching.
Yeah.
I want to go my punching, and later we go to the inner play area.
Play area will be
We want to
closed.
come to play.
no, it'll be closed. It's going to be closed.
Oh, pag-change mo. Take that off.
So you want punching or play area?
I want to go to play area. Not my punching.
Sige na, get ready.
No, she wants to go play area.
I want to go my play area.
Yeah.
Do punching. I don't want to. I want to go my play area.
Yeah, she wants to go
okay.
play area.
Yes. Oh,
Later, when you see Alina doing punching yung tawag niya sa taekwondo mga kachika.
go punching. I'm gonna go.
Last time, nakita niya si Alina na nag-taekwondo, ganun-ganun, sabi niya, I want to go punching as well. Kaya sabi niya punching. Taekwondo.
You said to Mama or Daddy, whatever else. You said to Mama or
Whatever else.
Daddy.
Sige na, Bi, get ready.
This is my punching anymore.
You don't want to go punching anymore? Okay, you haven't started yet.
I don't want to go. I go on punching.
Okay,
tomorrow.
she wants to go on.
There's no punching tomorrow.
Oh, it's okay. All right, Nina.
It's okay.
It's okay. That's all right. Watch what she wants. That's it.
If she don't want to go, she don't want to go.
Huh?
Oh, Daddy, take Alisa water. This way na. Yeah, I take Alisa.
But I don't want to go on my. I don't want to go my punching.
Here. Okay, it's fine if you don't want to go punch.
So good. The swimming. Oh,
Take 1, 2.
look at that.
Monday, 5 to 6 p.
Look at that. Mama.
First month free. Yeah, gonna be like that. Yeah.
Oh, okay. Taekwondo. They call it karate. But we call it taekwondo in here. What is that? This for babies. What is that?
Maaga namin mga kachika ba. Ayaw din kasi namin na maano ba ma-start
Kick
sa
off my
traffic
car.
tapos na tuloy kami magmamadali. Give me your hair tie.
To have it.
Oh no. Now we're gonna do your hair. Next time, just keep your hair tie, okay?
Okay.
For 4:30 pa mga kachika, alas 4 pa lang. Ay naku, ang mister. Sabi ko, huwag ka nang babayaran niya talaga daw si Alina. Kay may 15 minutes pa. Si Alina, 15 or 30 minutes ba. Hindi pa kasi din nag-start yung kanyang taekwondo. So, meron din sila dito, play area. Pero may kailangan na magbayad ng 3 pounds. Sabi ko, ayoko naman magbayad ng 3 pounds. Hello! So, sila lang din dalawa nandito. Baho pa din dito ah. Pero naiwan yung mga amoy ng mga tao pumapasok dito. Oh my goodness! Pauwi na kami mga kachika. Ano na pala? 5:30. Isang oras. Ano pala? 45 minutes pala yung nila Alina. Yung kanilang taekwondo. Yeah, horse up there.
Horse?
2 horses.
It's a horse. It's a horse.
Tapos ay nasa Lisa, ayaw man. Mas prefer niya talaga na doon siya sa play area. Yung play area naman doon, kailangan mo nga din magbayad. Hindi free. Pati yung adult, pagpapasok doon, may bayad din mga kachika. Ganon. Then yun na. Yun yung ngayon Monday. Pagka Wednesday naman is yung kanilang swimming lessons. Gusto pa nga din sana ni Mr. na enroll din sila sa dance lesson ba? Ganon. Dance class pala. Hindi lesson. Dance class. Next time, dance class. Sabi ko, wag na muna kasi too much ba? Yeah. This is 40. Yeah. Sabi ko, wag muna kasi nga lalo na may trabaho ako, ganun ba, travel sa kanilang 40, pag matuto na din ako mag-drive, ganun, medyo easy na ba, pagod na din yung mga bata, sabay-sabay yung tatlo, swimming, tapos may dance pa, tapos yung alam nyo yun, medyo na, busy na yung natin, so hindi na lang pagsabay-sabayin. So anyway, ayun na, pauwi na kami, lapit na kami sa bahay. Ito na tayo mga kachika, si Mr. Dumiritso pag alis kasi kukunin niya yung kanyang prescription ba, parang ang init naman yan. Magsaing pa ako, magsi 6 o'clock na pala ng gabi mga kachika. Ay, ang init nga. Hindi ko lang ito. Nahugasan ko na to. Nakapaghugas na din ako ng kamay kasi nagsaing na nga ako eh. Wala pa siya akong sinaing. So yun, yun doon pala. Yung mga nagsasabi pala na nagsinungaling daw ako kasi daw, hindi naman daw totoo na may dinaramdam daw si Mr. Yun nga, still running around pa daw. Ganun. Kasi si Mr. hindi naman yan siya yung tipo na may basta kaya niya pang maggalaw-galaw siya mga kachika, gagalaw-galaw talaga yan siya. Kung dati pa kayo nanonood sa mga video, alam niyo na yan, na hindi talaga yan siya yung tipo na magmukmuk lang na iasa niya lahat pa sa akin na ako yung gagawa. Basta kaya niya paggagawa talaga yan siya ng trabaho ba. Kahit pa mainiinda yan siyang sakit na sa katawan niya. Ayaw niya talaga yan yung magpahiga-higa lang, manood-nood ng TV o mag-computer, ganun. Kasi niisip niya parang lalala tuloy yung karamdaman niya kung magpahiga-higa lang siya, magpaupo-upo na lang, manood ng TV, ganun. Tsaka yung kanina, may kausap siya sa telephone, ano na yun mga kachika, yung may na-receive na kasi siya na email sa kanyang referral para sa kanyang ang tawag doon, yung referral sa kanyang x-ray. So magpapa-x-ray na siya next week yata, ganun. So okay na yung referral nga para sa kanyang x-ray. So mag-antay na lang kami ng appointment date niya. Ang sarap ng raspberry. Bigay ko sa mga bata. Yan. Mahirap naman sinungaling tayo na yung anak natin o yung asawa natin may sakit, kahit naman sana na walang sakit, di ba? Mahirap na baka magkatotoo patuloy. Mas problema patuloy mga kachika. Hindi naman din ako nagsisunungaling. Kung ano lang yun din yung totoo, di ba? Kung ano lang din yung nangyayari. So nasa inyo na yan kung maniwala kayo o hindi. Kayo na lang mag-adjust. Uy, nakabili pala ako kayo ng ito, chayote. Chayote pala yung tawag, pero galing siyang Costa Rica. Ayan, chayote. Ko to, ihalo ko to kasi may nabili ako na pork liver kanina, magigisa ako nito. Mamaya ko na kasuhin ko muna yung mga bata, basta ihalo ko yan. Tapos ito naman ay maghiwa ako nito para ibigay ko din sa mga bata. Bae! Na? Fruits, bibi up. Did you wash your hands? You wash your hands?
Yes.
Yeah? Good girl. I got fruits here. Bring the chair here. That one. The sofa, whatever you call couch. Sofa couch. Where's Alisa? Playing?
Yeah.
Did she wash her hands yet?
No.
No? Okay. Good? Yeah. It's good. I had it. Did you gonna go more on your taekwondo again next week?
Yeah.
Good girl. You're doing good. Doing like that, kicking.
Yeah. Forgot. And the sound. I think there's a word on it. I think wood.
Yeah, there's a word in that. There's everything you do. Close the door, B.
You put wood, they cover plastic, so
Close the door, B. It's cold. B. Tina, close the door. That door ba? Behind you.
Picture books. Can we read in the car?
We're not going in the car, Peppa. We're walking there instead.
Oh, walking.
All the way to Granny and Grandpa's house?
Yes, there's a shortcut through the park.
Will there be dragons and fairies in the park?
Not that I know of.
After we get to the feet. Come on, Julia.
Are you ready?
The feet.
And use it, huh?
Yeah.
For the duck, for the beef? Right?
Yeah.
Are you ready?
Nag-antay ako, akala ko ready na yung ano, mga bata nandun na pala sa bed. Nag-antay ako kay Miss kasi akala ko kakain na kami. Pumasok ako dito, kinaubo ako sa doon sa niluluto niya na maanghang. Maliligo na lang ako mga kachiya kasi hindi pa daw ready. Mula yung inom ko kayo, naubo talaga ako sa ano ba mga kachika ba? Yung sa steam ba ng niluluto ni Mr. Na ano ko na langhap ko, yung sobrang ano yata yung niluluto niya na, yung ginisa niya na cabbage. Sobrang ano yata yun. Anghang, nilagyan ng chili, sibuyas, garlic. Yun lang yung hinalo niya. Partner namin doon sa yung duck. Para may gulay ba. Naamoy mo lang yung ano ng steam ng niluluto niya. Wala na. Nauubo ka na. Makati tuloy yung lalamunan ko. Tapos na pala ako maligo. Sabit ang ligo ng kachika. Lagi ako na to. Siguro first time ni Ma'am Shea nakapanood sa video namin ba. O nakita niya ako na may ganito. Nagtanong siya kung ano din nilalagay ko sa ilong ko. Ganito pala yun. Baka sakali na manood ulit siya. Ito. Ayan. Ito yung nilalagay ko sa aking ilong. Kay Mr. naman kulay blue. Yung white naman. Yung gamit-gamit niya. Ngayon sa ilong niya. Yun din yun. Nilinis siya ng boots ng mga bata. Gabi-gabi nga talaga nililinis mga kachika. Pag may pasok ay wala talagang palya. Yan talaga yung ginagawa niya. Kahit may ininda pa yung sakit. Hindi talaga pwede na ano, hindi malinis yung shoes. Simula lang din na o kahit doon sa dati pa namin tirahan. Kay Alina lagi talaga niya yan inanuhan. Pero dito talaga, nahabit niya na talaga na ginagawa niya every night.
Oh, no shoes, man. Rough on shoes.
Yeah, rough. Yeah. Hirap pa yan siya mag-yoko.